Welcome to the Remedyforce portal video tutorial. This tutorial will provide an overview of the portal and demonstrate how to create both an incident and a service request. To access the Remedyforce portal, open Internet Explorer version 7 or later. The portal does not work with earlier versions of Internet Explorer. On the address bar, type inet.dallasisd.org and press Enter. You will now see the My Dallas ISD homepage. Click on the Technical Resources link located on the left. From the IT Service Desk page, click the DISD Remedyforce link. A logon screen will appear. Enter your EAD username and password, and then click the OK button. The Remedyforce self-service homepage appears. You will see a welcome message with your name in the upper right-hand corner of the window. The homepage consists of 5 sections: Services, Service Request and Incidents, My Cart, and Broadcast. Within the Services section, there is a search field that allows you to type a question or keyword to search for help. Clicking the magnifying glass icon next to the search field will execute the search. You have the ability to create 2 different types of requests: incident and service. All submitted requests, incident, and service will be listed in the Service Request and Incidents panel and will display the request number, status, description, and date and time submitted. The status drop-down can be used to search incidents and service requests by the selected status. Any closed incidents or service requests will disappear from the list after 7 days. The My Cart section displays all pending unsubmitted incidents and service requests. The Broadcast section displays messages regarding system outages, scheduled downtimes, or any other important technology-related messages. You have the ability to create an incident and a service request. Create an incident when an event happens which is not part of the standard operation of a service and which causes or may cause disruption to or reduction in the quality of services and productivity. A few examples of an incident include problems with your desktop hardware, loss of internet connectivity, or an issue with a district-approved application such as Oracle. To create an incident, click the Submit an Incident button. The What Do You Need Help With window appears. Fill in the requested information in the fields provided. The category and the Describe What You Need field are the only 2 fields required for submission. However, providing information in the additional fields will help process your request in a more timely manner. Begin by clicking the Category drop-down button. Select the category that best describes the issue you're having. Drilling down to the specific issue within the folders will allow your request to be processed much faster. Once you have selected the appropriate issue, scroll down and click the OK button. The category you selected will appear in the category field. In the specific location field, type the location of where the support needs to be provided. Please provide the school or building name along with the room number or a description of the room location. In the contact number field, provide the best phone number where you can be reached for additional information. The phone number can be entered without dashes. In the Describe What You Need field, provide detailed information of the problem. When submitting hardware issues, include the make and model, DISD asset number, and serial number of the equipment. Select the impact of the incident by clicking on the Impact drop-down button and selecting the appropriate impact. The impact will be evaluated and changed if it does not meet one of the following definitions. Low impacts one or more individuals, but not an entire campus or department. Medium affects one campus or department and/or attendance reporting. High affects more than one campus or department and/or attendance reporting. After you have entered the necessary information, click the Submit button. There will now be an incident number appearing in the status bar along with the status of the request. The status will change to Acknowledged, In Process, or Closed as the technology staff works the request. After you have submitted your incident, you are now able to attach a document to the incident. Please attach any screenshots, error messages, printer configuration pages, or forms that may assist in diagnosing the cause of the issue. To attach a document, click the Add button. You can either attach a file or type in a URL. To add a file, click on the Browse button and locate the file you want to add and click Open. The attached file will now appear in the Documentation section. Click the Submit button to return back to the home screen. You will now see your incident listed in the Service Request and Incident section. To access attached documents and additional information after the incident or service request has been submitted, double-click on the desired incident or service request listed in the Service Request and Incident section. Within the Additional Information section of an incident or service request, attachments from the IT staff are posted for viewing. To view, double-click on the attachment. A service request is a request for information or a request for access or change to an IT service. Examples of service requests are requests for new passwords, requests for access, or requests for installation of PC software. The current categories of service requests are listed on the home page. Information Technology Services will periodically add additional service request options. To create a service request, click on the type of service request you want to submit. Your name will appear in the Requested For and Requested By fields. Enter all the requested information on the form. Once a service request is submitted, a request number along with the status appear in the upper left-hand corner. The status bar will change to Acknowledged, In Process, or Closed as the technology staff works the request. Documentation can be added to the service request by clicking the Add button and attaching the document. When you are done adding any necessary documentation, click the Self-Service Home link in the upper left-hand corner to close the window and return back to the Self-Service Home page. You will now see your incident listed in the Service Request and Incident section. This concludes the DISD Remedyforce portal video tutorial. Please contact the IT Service Desk at 972-925-5630 for assistance with this portal.